Leaders in Georgia want to ensure equity and fairness, they say, among immigrant essential workers in our state.
An expert panel discussed ways to make sure vulnerable community members have access to resources without fear of deportation. Fox 5's Brian Hill has the details.
The panel says 170,000 undocumented immigrants are essential workers helping in the fight against the pandemic. They wanted to focus on addressing some of the challenges the community faces, like access to the COVID-19 vaccine and getting those undocumented workers closer to citizenship. The panel, which included U.S. Representative Hank Johnson, says in order to effectively respond and recover from the pandemic, it's crucial that immigrant essential workers and people who are undocumented are provided a pathway to citizenship.
Millions of immigrant workers are at the front lines of keeping Americans healthy and fed during the COVID-19 pandemic.
The speakers hit on several disadvantages within that community, including getting COVID-19 testing and vaccinated.
Testing was designed and centered in a way that was, focused on English speakers, again, on people that were driving, and we were simply excluded from any type of relief.
Thursday, congressional Democrats and the White House unveiled the U.S. Citizenship Act of 2021. The bill will create an 8-year pathway to citizenship for undocumented immigrants who were already in the country before January of this year.
And it offers expanded work visas. So that legislation is going to protect immigrants from exploitation.
The speakers also talked about the struggles of farm and food workers who have smaller incomes and lack proper access to health care.
We're going to make sure that we eliminate the rule that was imposed with the CARES Act that said that if one of the family members did not have a social security number, then the whole family could not receive a direct payment.
The experts say immigrant community members contribute to key industries like agriculture, transportation, and health care.
When America invests and protects its most vulnerable inhabitants, the harvest can and will be bountiful.
Brian Hill, Fox 5 News.